240 million XRP moved before Ripple's major win in the SEC lawsuit? Okay, let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now look at this. Whale Alert reported that almost 240 million XRP coins have been moved by multiple whales in the last 24 hours. I wonder if they know something we don't know. Now, around 100 million XRP were moved by the whale from the Bitstamp crypto exchange to multiple wallets. Now, the biggest transaction recorded by the tracker has been on adding 28.34 million worth of XRP crypto from the same platform. Whoa. Okay. However, 63 million worth of XRP crypto was moved from an unknown wallet to different wallets. Around 140 million of the XRP tokens are on the move for now. So they know something, because the whale interest on a constant rise as positive signals have recently reported from the SEC versus the Ripple case. Now, these major transactions were reported before the major XRP news broke out. So somebody knows something, because there's a lot of XRP being moved around. And then meanwhile, XRP prices hasn't reacted to this major update in the case. XRP prices are down by 4% in the last 24 hours. However, trading volume has jumped around 25% to stand at 1.8 billion. So there's something that these whales know, because 240 million XRP moved before the Ripple major win in the SEC lawsuit. That's big time. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is the captain speaking. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next.